Do you dream of a better life, a life filled with abundance, joy, and purpose? This isn't just a dream, it can be your reality. The law of attraction says you can have it all. It's a powerful force in the universe and it's waiting for you to use it. You have the power within you to create the life you desire. This power comes from your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions. The law of attraction is simple. Like attracts like. What you focus on, you attract. Neville Goddard, a spiritual teacher, taught us the power of imagination. He said imagination is the very doorway to reality. Bob Proctor, a world-renowned success coach, built upon these teachings. He showed us how to apply the law of attraction to achieve success in all areas of life. They both emphasize the importance of our thoughts. Our thoughts are energy, and they create our reality. By changing our thinking, we can change our lives. Every thought you have sends out a vibration into the universe. This vibration attracts things of a similar frequency. Positive thoughts attract positive experiences. Negative thoughts attract negative experiences. It's like tuning a radio. If you want to listen to a specific station, you tune your radio to the right frequency. The same goes for your thoughts and desires. Tune your thoughts to the frequency of what you want, and you'll attract it into your life. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifestation. Close your eyes and imagine your dream life in vivid detail. What do you see, hear, feel, smell, and taste? The more detailed and emotional your visualization, the stronger the signal you send to the universe. Feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude as if your dream is already a reality. Section 5. Affirmations speaking your desires. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your desired beliefs. Repeat them daily with conviction to reprogram your subconscious mind. Use phrases like I am, I have, or I attract. For example, if you desire financial abundance, you could affirm, I am a money magnet, attracting wealth and prosperity into my life. Believe it, feel it, and the universe will respond. Section 6. Gratitude, feeling thankful now. Gratitude is one of the highest vibrations you can send out. Be grateful for what you have now and you'll attract more to be grateful for. Keep a gratitude journal and write down all the things you're thankful for each day. When you focus on the good, you create a positive energy field that attracts more good into your life. Gratitude is the key to unlocking abundance. Section 7. Act as if living your dreams. Don't wait for your dreams to manifest before you start living them. Act as if they are already here. If you desire a loving relationship, start taking care of yourself as if you already have a partner. If you dream of a successful career, start dressing and acting the part. Your actions send powerful signals to the universe. By aligning your actions with your desires, you accelerate the manifestation process. Section 8. Overcoming limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are negative thoughts that hold you back from achieving your full potential. Identify any beliefs that are not serving you and replace them with empowering ones. For example, if you believe I'm not good enough, replace it with I am worthy and deserving of all the good in my life. Challenge your negative thoughts and choose to believe in yourself and your dreams. Section 9. Your journey to abundance starts now. The law of attraction is always working, whether you're aware of it or not. By understanding its principles and applying the techniques, you can consciously create the life of your dreams. Start today. Visualize your ideal life, affirm your desires, and live with gratitude. The universe is conspiring to help you achieve your dreams. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and watch your life transform.